Yo guys, it's your badass reactions here, and this is my reaction to discovering Rebecca Black. Oh shit. Oh yeah. What's up? Your badass reactions here. I'm discovering Rebecca Black right now. This song's pretty sweet. I could dig this. Not even kidding. Straight up. It's pretty good. Whoa, her hair's fucked up. Oh my god. What? That's no. I'm not feeling it. Nah. It's alright. It's getting there. It's good. Look at the bus stop. Oh yeah. What the fuck? That's not a bus, it's a fucking car. Are you fucking kidding me? Fucking retarded? Fucking stupid ass, fucking retarded ass Hispanic looking motherfucker. Oh my god, dude. Just fucking give me a gun and blow my fucking brains away. I want to fucking shoot myself. Please. Oh my god. I need a fucking gun. Shoot myself. I can't fucking take it. Oh my fucking god. Oh. Oh my fucking god. Oh, dude. Oh, fuck this. I'm done. Oh my god. Fuck you, Rebecca Black. Oh, kiss my ass. This fucking song sucks donkey dick. Fuck you. Have a nice day. Oh my fucking god.